Hemp and marijuana are both part of the cannabis family. The variety that I'm growing this year is called Canda. It's on the European certified list. This strain produces a higher content oil in the seed, and it's a bigger seed that is more favorable for running through combines. There's really three opportunities for industrial cannabis in the field. Seed for food, fiber from the stalks, which can be used for your plastics and your textiles, and then there is the CBD aspect of it, where you can collect the biomass of the plant and extract that for the cannabidiols that are locked in the cannabis plant. It gets about 6 feet tall, so you're left with quite a bit of stalk left in the field that you can then use a hay bind and put in large square bales or round bales. I see this as a future crop that provides us with so many different aspects of things that we can incorporate into daily life. But the biggest challenge is the processing side. With hemp being a new crop, there's a lot of things that we need to figure out on how to get a really clean quality product coming out of the combine and going into the bin. It's really a necessity to use cleaning equipment like GCS that is putting air on it right away, scalping it, and blowing out all the green material that gets brought through with the combine. The GCS equipment, it really gets it clean, so you're putting quality grain into your bin to be dried. Our farm here, we only have 70 tillable acres, which was all planted hemp this year. One of GCS's equipment, like the 450, can do quite well with this size of operation. And a larger farm that's growing 1,000+ acres of this could also be using one of GCS's larger cleaning equipment. GCS's equipment is working on par with exactly what I was expecting. I did a lot of research trying to find the best equipment for the best value of what I'm bringing in off the field, how I want it cleaned, and GCS has very simple technology that is just using air and scalping, and it gets the seed very clean before you put it in the bin. Alex and Yuri are great. I mean, their customer service is second to none. If I was in a pickle or something, Alex would be there real quick, and he's always available on the phone, and really good customer service, giving you a great quality product.